Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to add a custom unsubscribe link in Gohighlevel, so follow through. At first you have to make a landing page for when they unsubscribe, so make sure you do that. After that you're going to go into your agency and then you're going to copy this unsubscribe landing page. After that you're going to go into your marketing, trigger links and then click on add link. From there, you're going to name it unsubscribe link and paste the link that you just copied, which is the landing page URL. And then we're going to go into automation one more time and then create workflow. And from there, we're going to click on start from scratch and then create new workflow. And then this is the new workflow number. So just put it to whatever you want. You can customize it or leave it like this. And we're going to click on add new workflow trigger. So the trigger link clicked will be the contact action, and then we're going to save, and then you're going to choose it as a trigger link clicked, trigger link, and then filter will be unsubscribe link. After that, in the please select action, you're going to put in set contact DND, and then in DND option you're going to say enable DND for specific channels, and then finally you're going to select it as email if this is your primary source, and they're going to publish it. And then you need a message that if you wish to unsubscribe, click here. So you're going to highlight here and then link it so that it's linked with that page. And then in the edit option, you're going to put that URL in the text of here, current window. If you want it to be opened in a current window or a new window, that's up to you. And then the link list will be unsubscribe link. And finally, you're going to highlight it, and this is how it's going to look. Just save it, and this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.